was it? Now look at this one. I created the cinematic masterpiece and the TVC within a few minutes using an AI tool called Flova AI. In this video, I'm going to walk you through the entire process, step by step. So if you're a content creator, filmmaker, or just someone who loves playing with AI tools, stick around because this is going to be good. Alright, before we jump into the projects, let me quickly explain what Flova AI actually is. It's a next-generation AI video agent that's basically like having an entire film production studio in your pocket. Now anyone can be a director with Flova AI. You just need to enter the idea, and Flova will make the video for you. And you have complete control over the project. I already made a video on it. I will put the link in the description. However, today, I will talk about another amazing feature called Flova Skill. Think of Flova AI as your director. You're calling the shots, you're creating the vision. But skills? Skills are like your professional assistant director. They handle all the technical heavy lifting for you. Here's the thing. Normally, when you're working with AI video generation, you spend hours tweaking prompts, trying to get the right look, the right camera angle, the right character consistency. And even then, it's kind of a lottery, right? Skills eliminate that randomness. They're pre-built professional filmmaking workflows that give you predictable, high-quality results every single time. Right now, Flova has two main skills available. First, there's dynamic multi-shot cutting. This one's incredible. It lets you generate video clips with natural camera transitions, like actual montage-style editing. Instead of those rigid, boring 4-second clips that most AI tools give you, you're getting 12-second sequences with built-in cinematic cuts. It uses models like Sora 2, WAN 2.6, and Seedance to create that professional look. Second, there's tail-to-head frame continuity. This is all about seamless storytelling. The last frame of your first shot automatically becomes the first frame of your next shot. No jarring jump cuts, no character drifting, just smooth cinematic flow. It's perfect for creating those one-shot continuous take-style videos. So with that foundation, let's get into our first project. If you are new to Flova, just click on the link from the description and create an account. You will get 1,000 free credits. This is only for the first 500 users. So grab your deal quickly. Okay, once you are in, let's create the video. First, I will create a cinematic trailer inspired by The Lion King, and for that, I already created a script. Alright, first, I am selecting the dynamic multi-shot cutting skill with Sora 2 from the skill option. This is the one that's going to give us those cinematic multi-shot sequences. And you can see that a pre-built workflow has been added. You can customize it if needed once you are done. Just enter the script or describe the scene properly. And that's it. I'm hitting generate. Now the Flova AI agent will analyze the skill prompt and the script and then start working on the project. It will create the creative brief, storyboard, and visual gen path. Once everything is done, it will start creating the character and element reference images. It will take some time. So I am fast forwarding the video. And here it is. The images are ready. And you can see the result. Flova is using Nano Banana Pro to generate what they call key elements. These are basically character sheets, front view, side view, back view of our lion cub Kazi. This is crucial because it locks in the character's appearance. No more character drifting, where your hero looks completely different in every shot. It creates all the character and key elements. And they are good. Now, if you find any issues with any elements, you can fix them. To regenerate the image, click on the regenerate icon from here. You can edit the prompt from here. Once the prompt is ready, you can change the image generation model. You will find Seedream 4.5, Midjourney 5.7, GPT Image 1.5, and Flux Context Pro alongside Nano Banana Pro. If you want to customize the image with the AI agent, then click on the reply icon from here, and the image will be attached in the agent chat box. Now you can ask for the customization. However, I think all the element images are perfect. So, I will move forward to the next step. The agent will suggest the next step. You just have to select the option, and I will handle the rest. I'm going to generate the opening frames for all scenes. So I am typing 3 and then hitting the send button. Now, the Flova AI Assistant will analyze all the scenes, prompts, and key elements, and then start generating the images. The image generation process will take some time. So, I will fast forward the video. And here it is. All the images are ready. And look at them. They are just amazing. Exactly what I wanted. The world building, the character consistency, everything is amazing. However, if you find anything wrong, you can fix it like the previous one. I explained this briefly in the previous video. You can watch it from the I button. Okay, all the scene images are ready. Now it's time to turn them into video clips. So I will follow the suggestion and type 1 in the text box and hit the enter button. Now, Sora 2 will take charge and generate all the video clips. And here's the magic. Because we're using the multi-shot skill, Sora knows to include multiple camera angles and natural cuts within each clip. So instead of static, boring shots, we're getting dynamic, professional-looking sequences. The skill also enforces cinematographic standards automatically. Once all the video is ready, preview them, and if any customization is needed, do it. Once you are done, in the next steps, we will generate the music and sound effects to match the emotional tone of each scene. Once all the assets are ready, we will assemble all the assets. The AI assistant is now doing it for us. And here it is, the video is ready. This is the result.
Learned to roar. The Sunlands were born.
The sun favors the weak.
This is really amazing. Now you can iterate the video if you want. And this is a complete basic video editor. You can do all the basic customization here. Now it's time to export the video. So click on the export button from here. Here, you will find 3 options. You can download the full video by clicking on download. If you need more post-production work, then the PR option. You can use Premiere Pro to edit this project. And if you want to download all the assets, then click on all files. No AI tools have these features.
Before time learned to roar, the Sunlands were born.
One day, everything the light touches will depend on you.
The sun favors the weak, but shadows are patient. Rule the world.
So, now you can create this kind of amazing dynamic, consistent motion shot with Sora 2 and Nano Banana Pro with the skill feature of Flova. Alright, now let's create a high-energy commercial for a fictional energy drink. For this one, we're going to use the tail-to-head frame continuity skill. After selecting the skill, I will upload a product image and then enter the video concept. Once done, just hit the send button. Flova is going to generate the start and end frames for each shot, and then use the perfect model to turn them into video. The steps are the same as the previous one. Alright, let's see the final result.
आपको सभी एक साथ काटने भी होता है। पदों को आते करने इसको आम लिखने काटों में
Unleash your power.
Unleash your power.
This is incredible. Look at how smooth that transition is from the gym to the outdoor scene. It literally feels like the camera just kept moving in one continuous shot. This is the kind of content that brands pay thousands of dollars for, and we just created it in minutes using AI. Whether you're a freelancer pitching to clients, a brand creating social media content, or just someone experimenting with AI video, this is a game changer. If you want to try this yourself, I'll drop a link to Flova AI in the description. They're currently offering free credits for new users, so definitely check it out. If you found this tutorial helpful, smash that like button, subscribe for more AI filmmaking content. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.